And never did I said that. Hindi ko lang maintindihan kung bakit nasabi ng Vice President na nagpakaawa daw ako na huwag kaming iiwan. Well, in fact, nung hindi pa siya nakakaupo, sinabi ko, the Vice President is bound to fail. Nasabi ko yan one of my interviews na hindi pa siya nakakaupo, na hindi pa siya appointed. Because makikita mo lang na sa umpisa pa lang, during our first ICAT meeting, nagbabanggaan na kami. There are some issues na hindi kami magkakatigma. Ang isa dyan is high value targets. He wants to get a copy of it, I don't want it. Yung Operation Tukhang, gusto niyang ihinto, gusto ko naman ipatuloy.